Hi Aries, this is your career reading for January 2021. I am a bit late, but this energy will stay with you for 25 days or 30 days. So I'll be talking about this energy which is in front of me. The symbols of energy is here. I'll be talking about that. And the first card here is the Queen of Wands. So Queen of Wands means your own embodiment, your energy. You are Aries, you are in this energy. Queen of Wands energy means you are going to achieve your results. It's a success card. It is a good card, a card of contentment in whatever you do. So Aries, you will be clear about your career path. You will be able to achieve results. So within the next 20 days you will see that you are a magnetic person. People are looking at your mastery, so you will be a master in whatever you are doing for your livelihood. So wherever you go, Aries, you are going to have this victory with the Queen of Wands attitude. So people will be asking you for advice, people will be looking up to you, you will be boss material, you will be someone who is a leader like, so you will be in leadership position. So that's what I see. Because of this leadership position, I see some new opportunity coming to you, something you will like. So opportunities are going to come to you, a new beginning for some of you, a new job for some of you is going to come. And you will be in a situation of control, total control. So you will be the magnet and things will be offered to you. So people will see your expertise and they will be giving you this opportunity. As you go forward, I see the Hierophant and the Judgment. So major arcana cards are here. After this, first two court cards, major arcana cards are here. This Hierophant and this Judgment is actually two different things. It means status quo and this means change, but a change for the better, a change which is supposed to happen, a change is supposed to happen. So in your family fortunes or in your career, there is going to be a big shift. Some of you are feeling very spiritual, and that spirituality will take you towards a new goal, new opportunity, new thing in your life. So there is this feeling of seeking your higher purpose. Some of you are going and getting into community service, some of you are going into government service, some of you are getting into large organizations. So you will be a boss or a controller or a person, a business person who is in touch with lot of people. So there is going to be a big change, or for some of you it can mean that a life situation is going to happen regarding your career, money, job and finance. Something critical is going to happen and you will be the person who will be salvaging that situation. So the angels are telling me that you are a crucial cog in the wheel. You are a crucial cog in the wheel of your family fortunes. You will be able to save your family, you will be able to critically decide something at the right moment, and because of your financial stability is assured. Your family's financial stability is assured. So you will be doing something critical, you will be making some change, because of which your life is going to be monetarily stable. Some change of heart will happen regarding your family fortunes or family finances. You will be making some changes, you will be with your partner, you will be making these changes. And I see the Hierophant and the High Priestess. So family fortunes is getting affected with your partner. It could be a business partner, it could be a family partner. So there is going to be a very spiritual and a passive kind of relationship. The woman is passive, the man will give the orders. So there is this kind of equation between both of them. But this High Priestess, this is the intuitive person, the lady. the females in the Aries group, you will be taking, very intuitive decisions regarding your career, regarding your financial activities. So very intuitive, and you and the male counterpart of the Aries will be in this hierophant mode, similar to this high priestess, but with a higher goal, community goal in mind. Or this can be either or for male and female. I cannot explain that, but there is this couple which is there in your life. It is you and someone else who will be in a very spiritual, higher objective kind of career seeking, community service, government service, driven by emotions, driven by intuition. So there will be this kind of higher goal driven by intuition. So take it as it resonates in your career. So you will be doing something big, or you can, get attached to big organization, scientific organization, things, research into unknown things. You can take those up, and it will be very, very successful. I see that if you are going through a situation of secrets around your career, or there is some secret which you cannot reveal, and you have to go with your gut instinct, it is going to change. You will see clearly how your path of progress will be. So the high priestess and the hierophant situation will change, the judgment will come. And when you change your situation, the passive situation, the intuitive situation, the clarity will come. A decision will bring in clarity. Fast change, cutting through the illusions. You will be able to see, cutting through a secret. You will go through a secret, and you will be able to see your path of success. So there is going to be a clear path of success for you, a clarity for you, or self realization through your gut feeling. You will be there, and you'll be able to see your path of progress. And I see you in abundance. I see you independent. However, sometimes dependent on someone, maybe spending on others, or you are in a social contract, that is marriage, or that could be, raising a child, or something like that, which is, for others. So you are earning for others. However, I see you single minded in your monetary activities, singular in monetary activities, and you are achieving your goals and targets. You are going to be abundant. So the outcome is saying that there will be challenges, but you will be on the higher ground, and you will be able to think of ideas to achieve what you want to achieve. And challenges whatever are coming in your path, you'll be able to take up those challenges, monetarily or any other challenge in your career. You'll be able to take it. And angels are advising new beginning is going to happen. Life force will be breathed into your career. New things will happen. It will be a very passionate working environment for you. You will be working very hard, and you will be able to achieve your success beginning. Some of you getting new opportunities, some of you getting a new job. So beautiful reading for you, Aries. The Lenormand card is saying that you have got the 17 number. That is the stork card, and the stork card is saying regarding success that you will be getting good income from abroad or while working abroad. So some of you are getting money from abroad. Your material well-being will allow you to satisfy your whims. So whatever you are earning, you will be spending on things. You will be able to have a wish fulfillment in your monetary career. There will be expenses for travel. Regarding success, it is saying that thanks to the support of someone very influential, you are in the right role, doing tasks that you are cut out for. So, very good opportunity card. You are going to be, you are going to get harmonious work environment and cooperation from community projects. So I said you will be involved in community projects, you will be involved in big organizations working for people. Some of you are government employees, some of you are working with NGOs, some of you are working in large corporates, handling lot of people, but you will be in a harmonious work situation. You will be able to get good community projects of value, and you'll be adding and contributing value to the to humanity. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have career problems, if you want to discuss it with me or any other problem, you leave in a comment in the comment box for a personal read request. I'll be getting back to you with my link or email ID, and you can contact me from there. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.